In this video we will talk about aromatherapy antiviral properties of essential oils. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Antiviral activity of essential oils. The body of evidence regarding the effectiveness of natural botanicals against a great variety of viruses is growing. Over 20 years ago, German scientists found extracts of more than 100 species of the Lamiaceae family to have antiviral effects. This discovery led to an increase in the examination of essential oils in Europe for the treatment of viral infections. Essential oils from many plant families have now been demonstrated to have antiviral properties. Interestingly, different plant families exhibit varying degrees of effectiveness depending on the virus strain. This is due to the particular molecular structures found in each type of oil, which penetrate physical entities to varying degrees, different tissues, cell walls, mucous membranes, etc. The effect on each virus strain depends also on the virus structure, enveloped, non-enveloped, molecular symmetry, etc. Certainly, one of the reasons for oils' effectiveness in vivo is their lipophilic character. Essential oils are easily absorbed into mammalian tissues, where they may produce the greatest results. In fact, when studying the antiviral effects of essential oils, researchers found that normal cells seemed to acquire a special resistance to viral penetration, though the mechanism for this effect is not yet known. Melissa and the herpes virus. One of the Lamiaceae plants studied, Melissa officinalis, also known as lemon balm, was shown particularly efficacious against the herpes virus, HSV. Dr. Dietrich Wagner, a professor at the Technical University of Munich, has even reported that a one-time application of Melissa oil led to a complete remission of horsefly lesions. A cream medication for herpes outbreaks, whose active ingredient is an extract of Melissa, is now sold in Germany under the name Lomaherpan. Use of Melissa essential oil itself may be just as effective. The oil can be applied directly to the lesions, or diluted to 10% in carrier if sensitivity is noted, to speed healing. Further occurrences can be prevented by applying oil to the area when sensations signal an imminent outbreak. Repeating this protocol 3 or 4 times has been reported to cause total remission in some individuals. Other essential oils found effective against the herpes virus include bergamot, eucalyptus, lemongrass and tea tree. Related to horsefly is herpes zoster or shingles, another common virus-mediated skin condition. Application of a 50-50 blend of Ravensara essential oil and tamanu nut oil has been found extremely effective for reducing symptoms by many people. Antiviral components of oils. The list of essential oils exhibiting antiviral effects is extensive: Melissa, as above, tea tree, juniper, eucalyptus, thyme, palmarosa, lavender, rosemary, clove, laurel, cinnamon bark, anise, rose, lemongrass, geranium, neroli, bergamot, clary sage, and dill. The antiviral effect of an essential oil is due to particular components of the oil. Some oils will work just as effectively on a particular infection as another, because they contain similar amounts of a certain component. The components of essential oils showing antiviral activity, and the oils in which they can be found. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.